We opened up some brick infill in the attic space of the old state capitol. Definitely some non-original brick was removed. And what we can see is largely blown-in insulation, but beyond that, with the help of our team here moving some aside, you can see the structure of the dome, which is, you can see the rounded brick wall in there and some brick corbelling of the pendentives below. You can see the timber of the roof, just as you can in the rest of the attic space, but there will certainly be more to explore once we get some of the insulation out of there.
I don't think we expected to find insulation, so that's a curveball that we'll be working through now that we have that information. It's definitely not helping. It's a hindrance to the building, so we'll be looking into that further.